Tsismis ba yan o concern ka lang? Be honest, kaibigan. Minsan, feeling natin harmless lang ang kwentuhan. Pero sabi sa Bible, gossip destroys. It plants division. Nagpapalusot pa tayo minsan. Concern lang ako. Pero ang totoo, we're tearing someone down. Sa totoo lang, words carry frequency. You're either lifting someone up or pulling them down. Sabi sa Proverbs 16, verse 28, gossip separates even the best of friends. Kaya next time na matukso kang mag-share ng kwento, ask yourself, will this build or break?